1. What is the time complexity of finding an element in a balanced binary search tree or BST? A. O of 1 or constant time. B. O of log n or logarithmic time. C. O of n or linear time. D. O of n log n or log linear time. Two. Which sorting algorithm has the best average case time complexity? A. Bubble sort. B. Quick sort. C. Merge sort. D. Selection sort. 3. In a min heap, the root node has a value that is A. Greater than or equal to its children. B. Less than or equal to its children. C. Arbitrarily greater or lesser than its children. D. Always equal to its children. 4. What is the purpose of a hash function in a hash table? A. To sort elements. B. To index elements for fast retrieval. C. To encrypt elements. D. To compress data. 5. Which graph traversal algorithm guarantees the shortest path in an unweighted graph? A. Depth first search or DFS. B. Breadth first search or BFS. C. Dijkstra's algorithm. D. Kruskal's algorithm. 6. In Python, what does the star args parameter do in a function definition? A. Captures keyword arguments as a dictionary. B. Captures a variable number of positional arguments. C. Specifies a required argument. D. Returns a list. 7. Which of the following languages is not statically typed? A. Java. B. C#. C. Python. D. C++. 8. In object-oriented programming, what does encapsulation promote? A. Code reusability. B. Data hiding. C. Memory management. D. Performance optimization. 9. Which of these is a valid way to create an immutable object in JavaScript? A. Using const keyword alone. B. Using object.freeze, open and close parenthesis. C. Using let keyword. D. Using var keyword. 10. What does the solid principle in software engineering stand for? A. Simple, optimized, lightweight, inexpensive, durable. B. Single responsibility, open-closed, Liskov substitution, interface segregation, dependency inversion. C. Secure, optimized, linked, integrated, dynamic. D. Safe, organized, limited, independent, distributed. (11) Which of the following is a NoSQL database? A. MySQL. B. PostgreSQL. C. MongoDB. D. Oracle. (12) In SQL, which command is used to remove duplicate records in the result set? A. Delete. B. Distinct. C. Drop. D. Unique. (13) What is the purpose of an index in a database? A. To prevent duplicate entries. B. To speed up data retrieval. C. To enforce referential integrity. D. To compress data. (14) Which join returns all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table? A. Inner join. B. Left join. C. Right join. D. Full join. (15) In SQL, which keyword is used to sort the result set of a query? A. Filter. B. Group by. C. Sort. D. Order by. (16) What is the space complexity of depth-first search using an adjacency list? A. O of V plus E, where V is the number of vertices and E is the number of edges. B. O of V squared. C. O of E log V. D. O of 1 or constant space. (17) Which of these algorithms has the worst-case time complexity of O(n) squared? A. Merge sort. B. Quick sort or worst case. C. Heap sort. D. Counting sort. (18) What is the best case time complexity of bubble sort? A. O of n. B. O of n log n. C. O of n squared. D. O of 1. (19) In Big O notation, what does O of 1 represent? A. Time complexity grows with input size. B. Constant time regardless of input size. C. Linear time. D. Exponential time. Which data structure has an average case search time complexity of O of 1? A. Array. B. Linked list. C. Hash table. D. Binary tree. What is SQL injection? A. A method to improve query speed. B. An attack technique to manipulate SQL queries. C. A way to insert data into a database. D. A data backup strategy. CodeSignal. CodeSignal is a popular technical interview and assessment platform designed to help companies and developers evaluate coding skills accurately and efficiently. Founded in 2014, CodeSignal offers a range of tools, including coding tests, interview assessments, and certified evaluations, to streamline the hiring process for technical roles. The platform supports multiple programming languages and provides real-world coding challenges that test problem-solving abilities, data structures, algorithms, and system design skills. For companies, CodeSignal's assessments help reduce bias by standardizing technical interviews and providing objective skill measurements. For developers, it serves as a practice ground to improve coding skills and prepare for interviews with hands-on tasks and detailed feedback. With its user-friendly interface and robust analytics, CodeSignal has become a trusted resource for both recruiters and candidates in the tech industry. Here are 5 top beneficial uses of CodeSignal. 1. Technical skill assessment for hiring. CodeSignal enables companies to evaluate candidates' coding abilities with standardized assessments. Its certify and test products offer role-specific tasks that measure proficiency in algorithms, data structures, and real-world problem-solving, ensuring that only qualified candidates move forward. 2. Interview automation and efficiency. With its interview tool, CodeSignal provides a live coding environment that simplifies remote technical interviews. Features like pair programming, automated scoring, and replay options help interviewers assess candidates fairly and reduce manual workload. 3. Unbiased and objective hiring. CodeSignal's standardized tests and certification-based assessments help eliminate unconscious bias in the hiring process. By focusing on skills rather than resumes, it promotes a more diverse and inclusive recruitment pipeline. 4. Skill development for developers. For individuals, CodeSignal offers a vast library of coding challenges that help improve proficiency in various programming languages and topics. Detailed feedback and skill assessments guide developers in identifying and improving their weaknesses. 5. Data-driven insights for recruiting. CodeSignal's analytics dashboard provides recruiters with detailed reports on candidate performance, skill gaps, and test effectiveness. These insights help refine hiring strategies and ensure that assessments are aligned with the company's technical requirements.